In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove suggestions from Chrome quickly and easily. If you're tired of seeing search suggestions, unwanted predictions, or extra Chrome recommendations while you browse, this guide will help you turn them off in just a few minutes. It's a simple setting, and once you know where to find it, you can clean up your browsing experience and make Chrome feel a lot more focused. If this video helps, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. You'll want to make sure you're using the browser where you want to change the suggestion settings. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of the window and click the three-dot menu. This opens the main Chrome menu where all of your browser settings and controls are located. From the drop-down menu, click Settings. That will take you to the Chrome settings page. This is where you can manage everything from privacy options to search behavior and Google account preferences. On the left-hand side of the settings page, find and click You and Google. This section is important because it includes settings connected to your Google account, sync features, and Google services that affect how Chrome behaves. Next, click Sync and Google Services. This page contains a number of options related to personalization, search features, and Google-powered browsing settings. Now scroll down slowly until you reach the section called Other Google Services. Depending on your Chrome version, the wording may look slightly different, but the setting you're looking for should still be there. Look for an option called Improve Search Suggestions or something very similar. This setting helps Chrome provide more personalized search suggestions while you type. But if you want fewer suggestions showing up, this is the one you need to turn off. Click the toggle switch next to Improve Search Suggestions and switch it off. Once you do that, Chrome will automatically save the change for you. At this point, the suggestion feature should be disabled, and you should notice fewer Chrome search prompts and recommendations while browsing. If you want, you can go back and check your search bar to make sure the change has taken effect. Finally, close the Settings tab and continue browsing normally. And that's it. You've now removed suggestions from Chrome. It only takes a few clicks, but it can make a big difference if you want a cleaner and less distracting browsing experience. If this tutorial helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more easy step-by-step tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.